Hello everyone, this is Garima Garg from Sabharti University Meerut, and today I am here to tell you about my program, one-to-one mentorship program for BNY students that I launched yesterday, and with a very nominal fee. And especially the highlight of the program is that you get to get 1 month free subscription, and you can know about me, about your all the queries, and then you can decide whether you want to pay for the annual subscription or not, and that too on a very nominal amount, because I want to keep it free. But I didn't keep it free because only the interested person get in touch with me, because and this program is the one that could provide you an enormous amount of information that you need for yourself at the right time, because every information is valuable only when it is provided on the right time. If I take my example, when I got to know about All India National Championship of Yoga, I was already in my third year. Like, all the information that I needed, I got it in my third year. So it was like no use of me, because by that time I was not much interested into yoga. So my interest changed to the therapeutic yoga and to all my other nutrition aspect and all. But I could explore that thing in my first year and second year. That was kind of right opportunity for me to explore the new places, to explore new people, and to explore my interest, like if I would be interested in that. So that kind of things happen when you do not have the right knowledge at the right time. This is just one incident, many things happened. So today I would like to talk some things about myself, about my journey of BNYS. Because when you are like very much introvert, and also I was day scholar, so there is not much interaction to the seniors. Because when you are in hosteler, you are somewhat in touch with the senior, get some information. But when you are in day scholar, there is not much information available to you. So I was an introvert, a day scholar, so all the information I had to search by myself. So but there was one benefit of all this struggle, because when I searched myself, I got not just one answer but 10 answers for my problem, or the solution, 10 solutions of that particular problem. So there is one also incident that when I used to search usually first on Facebook about the seniors, like what and all seniors are there in the field, because I wanted to know what and all I can do after becoming this BNYS doctor, because I wasn't having any idea like what to do after this. So I used to search about seniors on the Facebook. Then I got to know about one book, so I even ordered that book, especially from the author. He's a BNYS doctor. I ordered that book from him, and and it was kind of 750 or 1000 rupees, and there was just the seniors name and their contribution. And like it's of my thinking, maybe you know about that book. Many of you, like 50% of the students, don't know about that book, what it is. Okay. But I got to know a whole lot of things from that book. I used to study what my seniors had done, what courses they had done, from where, from which place they had done, who went to the abroad, who are working in India, who are working with traditional naturopathy, who are working in the extracurricular area. All this information I used to get that from book till my third year. Then this lockdown happened, and then once again a new thing. Till my third year, I was still confused what I have to do. I was searching every day a new option for me, like whether it will be a suitable option for me or not. I was kind of this much discriminating about me. And then this lockdown happened, and then this comes the webinars things. So in those webinars also, I used to ask my colleagues like whether you had done this, whether it will be beneficial. They were like, no, we are not doing, we have some other work. Some would say, yeah, I had done this, it is good. But there was kind of mixed response, and I was always confused whether to do this or not. There was some free courses obviously I opted for, but there was some time waste also. Some one was good, but since it was free, so I opted. And then there were some paid courses. So when it comes to paid courses, you have to think twice. That same kind of my mentorship program also, it's paid after 1 month. So you have to think, like when you are paying money for something, you have to think whether it will be beneficial for us or not. So the like my belief is, you just know about that person who is providing you this mentorship, or who is providing you the content, or who is your teacher. When you know about that person, you will believe whether it will be authentic or it will be right for you or not. So I did many paid courses also. Like if I count, my first course was on research methodology class by Dr. Pradeep M.K. Nair. Then I get clinical lipidology with Dr. Praveen Jacob. Then was spinal care by Dr. Sunil Paudel. Then I did some 10 courses in acupuncture that was also paid, and like 100 in this balance method and tongue acupuncture that was free. And I did then 6 months fellowship program of research once again by Dr. Pradeep M.K. Nair. So I did many paid programs also, and I got to know the idea how to choose the right program for you, and how to like differentiate what is right and what is wrong. So that kind of knowledge I get after I experienced all the things. There were some bad things, there were some good things. But if you have a mentor, like I always used to think, if I would having a mentor, I could ask him like whether should I enroll for this or not, or whether I should do this or not. I always felt a constant need for a mentor, and I was not getting it. But after I completed, like almost my final year get completed, and after I complete my course, my study course, internship is remaining, I can proudly say that I had experienced all the things, all the struggles that I did now worth it, because I know now the solution, 10 solutions of one problem, and I can provide that 10 solutions to my fellow mates, to my colleagues, that could help them in their journey. So they should not have go through that same struggle which one has already done. So I should provide my experience to them, and then they can discover something new, and then they can pass on to their juniors or something. That's why this fellowship, this kind of mentorship program I had created, just to give you that secrets, that kind of information on the right time, because any information is valuable only when it is given on right time. Like if I take an example, for All India Championship of Yoga, I got to know like all the needed information in my third year, which was of no use then to me, because I was into therapeutic yoga and nutrition by that time. So All India National Yoga Championship was of no matter to me. But if I get that information in my first year, definitely it was of my interest, and it could get added like 2 certificates in my resume of All India National Yoga Championship, right? So that way things happen, that you should get the information on the right time and with the right person. So I can help you in that way with the. And also one thing that I always used to struggle with those notes and books and assignments. I had to go to the many seniors like what book to study, and by the year finished, by the time my year finished, like first year, I got to know like from Sambulingam, Guyton was better for me because I can understand better. So that way things happen, because nobody told me about Guyton. I was just reading Sambulingam or AK Jain or something. This is just kind of example. It happened in every EO with every book. Like this one was good. This option was also available, and now I'm getting to know about it. Okay, so that I don't want to happen with you. You could get the right notes, or like it was also a struggle about finding these techniques, the special techniques of yoga by Vyasa. So it was kind of difficult that time for me. Now I know where to find, what to find, how we'll get, and that I can share all those secrets. I can share with you, and that could help in your journey, because that path could be very easy to you, and you can invest your energy into something good, not into that struggle, that constant struggle that I did, and I missed some of the most very beautiful opportunities. And also when you have a mentor, you have that courage to do. Like I remember, when I was doing this fellowship of my research, I asked my teacher, Dr. Pradeep sir, and that whether should I participate in that debate competition, because my confidence was not that much great to participate in the debate, because my previous experience was not so good, and I was kind of shaken experience with the debate, although I was good in anchoring by that time. So he said me, yeah, just try it, just try it. He just gave me a boost of confidence, and I just tried it, and everything I had done it, and I got 4th rank in that national debate competition organized by CCRYM. But the thing is, like I was not having the courage. That why I got the 4th position, although I could get the first rank also if I could gather that courage a little more, a little better. And also some of the fellow mates was not knowing about that there is something debate competition is also happening. And that debate competition was having prizes of 15,000, 10,000, and 5,000 to first, second, and third winner. So that kind of things happen. When you don't have information about scholarship, I missed my second year scholarship because I was not sure whether I will get the government scholarship or not. I got in third year and fourth year after I got to know about it. But if anyone could tell me properly about all the procedure of this the scholarship in second year, I could get the 30 to 40,000 in my second year also. So that's what the importance of information is. Okay, and there are lots of incidences happened this way that I could know about this. And also this, we can do industrial training. I asked like in my third year to some person that whether we can do industrial training like BTech people do or not. So they said no, we do just internship. Why? We can go in any hospital, in any nature cure center, and then do the internship there. We can just gather the experience in our vacations, so you will have that extra add-on experience. But that you should that you need someone to tell you about that, like why to talk, what to talk, and how to talk. Okay. And also to harness your specific potential. Like if you have a specific potential in research, then you know someone who could harness that potential. So we in our mentorship program we also have that this special interaction with the expert. Like if you are interested in some special field like nutrition or this research, so we will be like giving you some expert talks also. And the mentorship program is only with me, not someone else. You will not get anyone else. I'm just a final year student, but believe me, in this journey I'll make you the person to your highest potential. I can harness that potential if you believe me, because I am also learning, and I'll be learning along with you also, because my internship is going my internship will be going by that time. I'll be learning many new things, so I can share all the things with you. And also you can take like my 1 month free subscription, and then you can decide whether you want to pay for those next months or not. It's completely your choice. It's not an some burden or something on you. And this is my short story. Also I would like to share my complete story. Like someone has asked me like just tell about yourself, your schooling and something much listening to me. And you can join my mentorship program if you like. And also just share to your friends and colleagues.